heading to Petit Denget from Canggu direction. And if you are familiar with this area, it's always super busy on this traffic junction. But I'm not gonna say it's nobody here right now. However, it's definitely not that busy. And yeah, that's how it looks. Beginning of August 2021. I wanna show you how it looks Petit Denget, the area. Here is the Pison Cafe, famous place. However, it's very deserted in general everywhere around. I had to say that. Super quiet, guys. It's really not much is happening. Many businesses unfortunately are out of business. This is some tourists walking here around, but in general really not much is happening. Not many people even driving around. Most of the people who are here, they are expats people and tourists, like this car at the front. I think this car is coming from Surabaya. In general, from different islands of Indonesia, mostly from Java Island because it's the easier access, and Lombok sometimes. And that's it. We have already like over 1 month and no foreigners are allowed to come to Indonesia except this one who own the Kitas visas. And here is some Ling Ling. This tour is coming to Ling Ling. I don't know if it's open or not and where they're gonna park. Here is famous Forge. But as you see, it's not much is happening really at all. And the shooter here, here at the front, supposed to be long time ago delivery shop. I think it's out of business completely, bankruptcy. Some local people driving around and some expats who living in this area of Seminyak. Here, if you're gonna go left, there is the residential area of Seminyak, one of few residential area anyway. So that's how it look like. If you are familiar with this area, normally it's a lot of people over here walking and driving and looking for something, strolling around. And its time is 4:30 p.m. so it's not the time like morning or something. Some restaurants are open. You can have a dine in for about 20 minutes, 30 minutes, depends. Here at the front is Shishi, famous place. Unfortunately closed, as you see. Imani Rooftop at the front also closed. Red Rabbi, Hiding, Amani Boutique side, Suits, Ruby's Red Ruby Bar. And somewhere here supposed to be the entrance to Potato Head. Biku here on the left, and here is the entrance to Potato Head. And W Seminyak, Potato Head over here, as you see. Also some doggos on the street, have to be careful. Very quiet, very quiet. It's difficult to say something super optimistic while this girl is driving without helmet, and I don't think so it's any kind of optimistic news. However, yeah, at least some people are still around, as you see. In general, really not much. Alila at the front, as you see. And here's supposed to be something, but everything is closed. Now heading into the Mexicola and the neon palms and sea circus over there. But now at the front is Motel Mexicola, very famous place, and unfortunately still remains closed. Even they could open, but they are still closed, probably completely no profitable to keep open. So that's how it look like. I'm gonna hit now to the center of Seminyak. Alright, so this is the center of Seminyak. Here is the Bossman restaurant and few others restaurants. Sister Fields, Bossman, they opened. Here's the mall, Seminyak Village, but Seminyak Village Mall remains totally closed. Not like other malls where we make a vlog, as it was still open, but this one is totally closed completely. I think they are out of business already. And now we're gonna head into direction of Seminyak Center. This is the main street in Seminyak. There is so many restaurants, so many businesses, so many boutiques, some massage parlors, clinic, many famous restaurants, heading now into direction of La Favela and Red Carpet. However, as you see, really not much is happening here. Most of the restaurants, what you can see on the left and on the right, they are completely closed. And so this car is coming from Jakarta. So many cars coming from Jakarta, so basically I think still some people coming to Bali from Jakarta and in Java Island in general by cars. So that's only then strolling around, but in general, as you see, really not so many other people. And many businesses are just simply closed and empty. Even they are open, they are empty, unfortunately. All right, somebody parked here the Hyundai Santa Fe. I think it's Santa Fe. And that's how it looked like. Boutiques, massage girls, parlors waiting for customers potentially. Here is the area of La Favela. Unfortunately, La Favela bar restaurant is totally closed. It's here, and here is the Red Carpet, also unfortunately closed. This is the big tragic, because in normally over 1.5 years when was the current situation, Red Carpet was always open, but now seems it's closed during the current limitations. Actually, maybe they could be open, but probably it's totally non-profitable for them to keep opening. So that's how it looks. Seminyak right now, it's just simply super quiet. Corner house over here, and that's how it look like. If you are familiar with this area of Seminyak, you remember how busy it is usually in normal conditions, but not today. Definitely not today. Even this street over here, normally people on the left, on the right, especially on the right, if you remember, and if I remember properly, they park the cars because, well, it's hard to park the car in this area of Seminyak, and they are parked here. But today the street is just literally empty. It's just simply quiet. If you go straight here, little right, you will go to area of Sunset Road. As you saw, this bike not really driving smart, and that's okay, normal. And now I'm heading into Legian direction. But this is still Seminyak. Here at the front is famous Warung Ma, the biggest one, and it's open. Unfortunately, I don't think so. It's very busy. Seems like area is not so busy. However, some people driving around, and also heading now to the Bintang supermarket. For every people who are familiar with Seminyak and used to live in Seminyak or living now, used to shopping in Warung. Not Warung, in the supermarket, Bintang supermarket. Still under construction, as you see. It's supposed to be open in the next few months, I think. And yeah, that's how it looked like. Alright guys, that's it for today's vlog from Seminyak. Little update what's going on the streets and around. Many of you are curious asking me about that, so here we go. I hope so you enjoyed today's, and thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care guys.